Whether you're just getting started making your own videos or you're looking to pick up some extra tips, stick around because in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make professional videos with your iPhone. Hi, I'm Matt Holmes, founder of V8 Video Academy, where I help business owners and entrepreneurs to create amazing videos that grow their business, brand and audience online. Now, with the technology available in today's iPhones, it doesn't take much to start producing great looking videos for your business. Whether you're live streaming, creating how-to videos or vlogging, there's some quick, simple tips that I'm going to share with you today to make your videos look and sound amazing. But before we get started, there's 4 bits of kit you're going to need. An iPhone, says Captain Obvious, a tripod, an iPhone tripod adapter and a microphone. I'm assuming that as you're watching this video you've already got an iPhone, but for everything else I've left links in the description below this video. Okay, so you've got your gear. Now it's time to choose a good location to film in. Now you want to choose a location that has as little background noise going on as possible. So keep an ear out for things like air conditioning units, fridges, people talking, doors banging, cars passing. You also want to have a clean and simple background with as little movement as possible going on, unless it's relevant to the content of your video. The other thing you want to pay attention to is the lighting in the room or area that you're filming in. You don't want to be too dark or too light. So if you're filming inside, it's great to use natural light coming through windows in the room. And if you're filming outside in bright sunshine, don't position yourself looking directly into the sun, because you might think that you're lighting yourself up beautifully, but you're just going to be squinting directly into the camera. Step number 2 is to set up your tripod. Whether you're sitting or standing in your video, you want to set the height of the tripod so that the lens on your iPhone is level with your eyes. A great little tripod I use for my iPhone videos is the Manfrotto Pixie. It's strong and durable and made by a trusted and reliable brand in the industry, Manfrotto. You can pick one of these up on eBay or Amazon for around $20. So now take your iPhone tripod adapter and attach that to your tripod. Then clamp your iPhone into your adapter, making sure that your iPhone's in landscape mode, not portrait. If you haven't got a tripod of any kind, don't worry. Just use whatever you've got lying around, whether that be boxes or books, just to get your iPhone to the right height so it's level with your eyes. It hasn't got to look pretty behind the scenes. Step 3 is a super quick one. It's to turn your iPhone into airplane mode. The last thing you want when you're filming is phone calls, Facebook notifications or WhatsApp messages. So setting your iPhone to airplane mode is a good habit to get into and stop any interruptions. Step 4 is to prepare your iPhone for filming. Before you start filming, there's a few more steps to take. First of all, make sure that you've got enough storage space on your iPhone, as video files take up quite a bit of memory. Next, you want to open up your iPhone's camera app and slide your finger along the bottom to select video. And you want to change the camera to use the front-facing camera rather than the rear-facing camera, which opens up as default, as the front-facing camera is much easier to use when you're filming yourself on your own. The next step is to plug your microphone into your iPhone. I recommend using a lavalier or lapel microphone for filming these videos, just to capture high quality audio. Now, these microphones aren't expensive. You can pick one up on eBay or Amazon for around $20 to $30. If you're using an iPhone 7 or later, you'll need to use the adapter that came with your iPhone. So plug your adapter into your iPhone and plug the microphone into the adapter. Then clip your microphone onto your shirt or jacket or whatever you're wearing, and make sure that the cable's neatly tucked away. And also make sure that the microphone isn't rubbing on your clothing, as this will cause a nasty rustling sound. If you're not using a microphone, then just make sure that you're filming in a really quiet area and get as close to your iPhone as you can when you're filming, because the microphone on the iPhone isn't particularly great and it picks up a lot of background noise, which is why I always recommend using a plug-in microphone of some sort, as it will really improve the quality of your sound. Step 6 is framing your shot. If you're filming yourself on camera, you want to point the screen of your iPhone forwards towards you so that you can see what you're filming. If you're filming yourself or somebody else on camera, getting the right amount of headroom is key to making your videos look professional, as you can see here. This shot has too much headroom, this shot doesn't have enough headroom, but this shot's got just the right amount of headroom. If you're making a tutorial or how-to video of some kind, you're better positioning yourself or your subject in the center of the frame so that you're talking directly to your viewer. For step 7, you're going to set the camera's focus and exposure. The iPhone's camera is pretty clever, and by default it will automatically adjust the exposure and focus to match whatever's going on in the frame at the time. But this is exactly what we don't want. we want to have full control of the camera settings, which thankfully we can do. So with your iPhone's camera app open, tap and hold on the screen on the area you want to focus on. A yellow box will appear around the focus point you've just selected, and at the top of the screen you'll now see a box with AEAF lock written in it. This is telling you that the exposure and focus have been set and locked. You can then change your exposure by holding and dragging the little light bulb to the side of your focus point box, up or down depending on how you want your shot to look. Okay, it's filming time. So here's my top tips to remember before, during and after filming. Double and triple check that your exposure and focus are set and locked and that you're in focus and not overexposed or underexposed. Make sure that your microphone is properly plugged in. Check you're happy with how you're positioned in shot. Once you hit record, just wait 2 or 3 seconds before you start talking. Smile, be confident and deliver amazing value to your viewers. Once you finish talking, just look down the lens for another 2 or 3 seconds before you hit the record button again to stop filming. And finally, it's time to edit your video. Editing is something that overwhelms a lot of people, but it doesn't have to. You can even edit videos on your iPhone. Editing is beyond the scope of this video, but it's something I'll be covering in an upcoming video very soon. In the meantime, check out the iPhone video editing app that I use and recommend. It's called iMovie, and I've left a link in the description below this video for you. So there you have it. If you want to learn even more, I've created a free step-by-step guide to how to film videos with your iPhone. You can grab your copy through the link in the description below this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want even more actionable content to grow your business, brand and audience online with video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.